Hey guys, it's Wingman here, and today we're doing the challenge for the second time today. Earlier today we did the hot Thai chili pepper challenge, which you should probably look at. And so today we're doing a blind taste test. We have a few items, and we're putting blindfolds so we can't see. I can see nothing right now. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna have to try to guess what the food is. She could pick anything at all. I have to uncover my mouth. Alright, so here it goes.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
I don't like this.
I can't even see.
Do it.
Okay, so put your hand on your lap and she'll like reach out in front of you. Kind of like
Okay.
game
So
shows.
the first thing, you guys a spoon. Have to keep your spoons, okay? Here's your spoon. This is camera scene.
Here's Sam.
Is there something in it?
Not yet. I'm putting a plate here. All right. Anytime. Find it with your finger, the spoon. Yeah.
Oh gosh, Sam!
What?
Look at that song! Uh-oh.
I can't find it. Oh. What is that?
That's already so gross!
I don't like it. I just put my tongue on it,
That's
hurt.
salt and vinegar.
No.
Is that mayonnaise?
No.
I'll tell you at the
It's
end.
like a popcorn
Keep your
flavoring.
spoon. You need the spoon, so clean it off somehow.
No.
Don't put it on the plate. Okay. Here's your next thing. Ready?
Whoa, we have to guess.
Oh, you do?
Oh gosh, what is it?
I don't want to. It's
It's like,
disgusting.
it's like salt and vinegar in something. She like took something.
No,
with
it's
salt
like
and vinegar.
I don't want that.
Zayn? Is it like yogurt with the salt and vinegar popcorn stuff?
No, it's all one ingredient stuff. I didn't mix anything.
Oh my gosh. It tastes like salt and vinegar.
Is there still something on my spoon?
Okay, is it our next one out yet?
I'm gonna get.
Do you want to know what it is, or just at the end?
Yeah,
just-
tell me.
Dill pickle dip.
Dill pickle dip. Okay, I knew it was a popcorn.
All right. So here's the next
Wait,
one.
where's the spoons? Okay,
You
there.
got it?
No. Oh, we got
Oh,
Okay.
it's still there?
Nope. Here it comes. Ready? And go.
What there is? Am I in it?
Nope.
Okay.
We'll use your other hand and find it, man.
Is that blueberry yogurt?
What the
I
heck?
didn't even try it. Wait, you see.
Yeah, that's yogurt, blueberry.
That is correct.
Good.
1 point.
Wingman's dad. Good job.
Yay.
Okay. Ready for the next thing?
Yes.
Okay, I guess.
All right. Go. Wait for the other one to try too. Oh, I guess you wouldn't know.
Cheese.
Oh, it's just this.
Cheese.
It's cheese.
But is it moldy?
What?
I washed it. I'm gonna keep this aside just in case.
It's
something good
cheese. Is it cheese?
goes- Yeah. It's cheese.
That is correct.
Okay, it's not moldy cheese, correct?
Correct.
All right.
Okay.
Wait for. We'll go for 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, you have to wait for the other to go so you can try it at the same time. Okay, ready? This is the next thing.
This is number 4, I think.
4. Ready? No, it's not here yet. Ready?
Oh.
Tell me when you both have it on the spoon, then you'll try together.
Well, I don't know, but
Oh,
do
no.
I have it on spoon?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Do I have
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa! Why'd you do that?
Strawberry. Or
I know exactly what this is.
what?
Why don't I remember it? I recognize it.
I know, I recognize it so much, but I don't know where it is. Like, you guys are probably thinking, oh my gosh, how would you not guess that?
Okay, guys, what do you think?
Okay,
It's
wait.
like mashed, like strawberries or something.
Okay, wait.
Why? I know the taste. I just don't remember. It smells like bananas. Is it mashed bananas?
Yes.
Yes,
bananas.
Yes.
bananas.
Mashed
Good job.
bananas is correct.
Okay. Ready? Last thing.
That's 3 points.
Do we need our spoon?
Okay.
Do we need our spoon?
Yep.
Is it out in front of us?
Not yet. And then
Okay,
it's,
I'll-
It's gonna be disgusting.
And then
It's
it's
the last
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm holding it. Okay,
Yeah.
Sam, do you have your bowl?
Yep.
Is it-
Get it, Carson? Okay.
Is there something in there?
Do I have it on my
Are
spoon?
you ready? Yep.
Go.
Go.
Maple syrup.
Yeah,
Oh, you got it.
Correct.
Okay, lime juice can come off.
we've done it.
What was the first thing? I almost threw
This-
up.
Dill pickle chip dip.
Oh yeah, I forgot. She told us. Oh my
Half
gosh.
the time I couldn't find anything.
Oh, that was really, really
It's just
weird.
mixed with diarrhea, that's all.
Oh.
When you said it was moldy, I thought you weren't kidding. And I was like,
Fucking bad. I don't think it was finished.
okay. So, that's all for today. Well, kind of did a lot. So, I'll see you guys next time. And tomorrow we're gonna do another vlog. We man.